Thank you again for participating in the Launch to Success Client Attraction System. In this course, you are learning about 19 online and offline tactics to grow your business using the Client Attraction System. Let's move through Module 3, where you will determine which of the 19 tactics are best for you. Now that we've covered the 19 tactics that you can use both online and offline, it's time for you to decide which tactics you will use. In the previous action steps, you already brainstormed. Now, let's take the ideas you came up with and investigate them a little more closely. You will be looking at your skills and strengths. Where are your clients located? You will study your competitors, and it's good to know your weaknesses. You now need to make an honest appraisal of your skills and strengths. How well do you understand your skills and strengths? What things are you naturally good at? What things do you regularly receive praise for? You should choose tactics that play well to your strengths because this means they'll be easier to employ successfully. For example, if you're good at planning and organizing, you will likely be proficient at setting up and running your own events. If you're already hyperactive on social media with a strong presence and many followers, this is a good tactic for you to use. Maybe you've enjoyed making videos before for other projects. Apply your video making skill to your own business. Next, you need to consider where your clients are located. Where are your potential clients most likely to be? You need to find them so that you can put your offer in front of them. For example, there may be a forum or social media group made especially for them. They may be offline businesses likely to participate in community events. Maybe your potential clients tend not to be social media users, in which case email marketing is a better tactic to reach them. How do you know where your clients are? The best way is to create an ideal client profile. Complete the profile with demographic information and information on your ideal clients' habits and how they receive information. To help you with this, you can start with your current or past clients. You should then take a step back and study your competitors. Look at what your competitors are doing. Where do they get their new clients? Knowing this can help you get ideas. For example, if every similar service professional you see uses an email list to attract new clients, this tells you that it's probably a good tactic. On the other hand, you can also gain an advantage over your competitors by searching for clients in places where your competitors haven't tried. If you find that there are no similar service providers doing a podcast, you'll be the first and can corner the market on that tactic. Knowing your weaknesses is also very important. Just as it's good to know your strengths, it's also good to know your weaknesses. Are there certain things that you're not good at doing? If so, this will present both challenges and a steep learning curve. For example, if simple technological tasks are a headache for you, setting up a webinar may not be a great tactic. If public speaking is a nightmare, you might want to focus on reaching potential clients online through emails or social media instead. Take all of the ideas you came up with in the previous action steps and activity guide worksheets and consider the ideas presented in this chapter. Which of your ideas now seem best? What are your skills and strengths? Where are your clients? Have you studied your competitors? Do you know what your weaknesses are? Rewrite the list and prioritize the actions that you can do now, soon, and in the future. Put what you are actually interested in doing and won't find an excuse not to do in the Now section so you can make forward progress. After you've completed the action steps and the activity guide worksheet, I'll see you in the conclusion where we will wrap up the course and talk about your next steps. See you there.